Good morning, everyone. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We got the Twin Oaks fired up this morning. We're going to put a brisket on this morning. We got going for a temperature to start with of 225. Hopefully we will be done in 12 hours or so. Once we get to that 160, 165 temperature, we're going to go ahead and wrap it, turn it up to 275. This is my first brisket. Stand by. Let's see what happens. Okay, we are at about 225 degrees. We're going to get ready to put the brisket on. Be back with you in a minute. So the brisket is on the smoker. We're doing this one fat side up. One of the nice features about the Cuisinart Twin Oaks is the back side here flips up, so we can get that out of the way. Okay, so we have been going for about 5 hours now. We are almost at 160 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and check our brisket and see what our internal temperature is. So we're going to check with our probe thermometer. We are right where we want to be, right at the 160, 161 mark. So we're going to go ahead and pull this brisket. So I went ahead and flipped it over. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up now. We're going to add about 1 cup of beef broth. A little bit at a time. We want it to soak in. Okay, we have it wrapped on the smoker now. We got the temperature set at 275. We're looking for 205 internal temperature, or we're going to probe till tender. Okay, we're going to go ahead and probe the brisket now. Check for temperature. We're almost at 205. Check for tenderness. Nice and tender, slides right through. We're going to go ahead and pull this, put it in the cooler. Okay, we got the brisket in the cooler. I'm going to put a towel on it. We're going to let it sit for about an hour, then we're going to slice it up. We got the smoked mac and cheese going on for about an hour at 225. Okay, we got the brisket removed from the foil. We're getting ready to cut it open. Let's see what's going on. Let's see how nice and juicy it is. We got a nice smoke ring. It's my first brisket. Alright, so the mac and cheese has been on for about an hour and 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull that, and we're going to get ready to eat. Like I said earlier, this is my first brisket. Definitely a lot of leftovers. Had an excellent smoke ring. First time doing the mac and cheese as well. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.